Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Our topic of discussion today is going to be all about life of an orphan. A lot happens within our environment. It may be quite hard to believe, yet it's true that the lives of orphans is of a great challenge. I fail to know why it happens in such a way that after the parents pass away, their children start facing the wrath of their death. People who are left with the care of their children make them pass through series of misfortunes. These children suffer a lot to the extent of missing out school because no one is willing to pay their school dues. What is more hurting is that even the little that the parents leave for their children is swallowed up by relatives, uncles and aunties, sharing it among themselves in equal ratios. Children are exposed to child labor. Young girls are forced to get into marriages, taken away like they are not humans, leading to an unhappy life. Imagine a situation where you can go through a whole day without nothing in your stomach. This is what the orphan child experiences, as most of them have to endure days of hunger before getting a single meal. And sometimes they go out with totally nothing to eat. They are expected to work a lot throughout the day, mistreated, and at the end of the day, when time for sharing benefit comes, they are considered last all the time. This results into poor performance at school. Most of them end up dropping out of school. Others decide to leave home and go to the street, thus become street kids. Whereas some end up losing their lives for they feel nobody is there to stand on their side for support, hence sealing a negative feeling in the life of orphans, regretting as to why they were born. Beyond suffering and the ultimate tragedy of death, the children that do survive often do so in ways that demeans and criminalizes themselves and brings suffering to others as well. The sad reality though is that if a good and caring person is not there to provide what they need, who is? Who will stand by them? Pimps, child labor bosses, terrorists, rebel arms with child soldiers, child traffickers, even less than good-willed relatives who want a personal slave. The end result is truly heartbreaking, as many of the orphans child out there will die of starvation and issues related to malnutrition. They will die from preventable diseases. They will die at the hands of others and themselves. They will spend much of their life in jail. They will do harm to others and impact the world in a negative fashion. In order to understand the best way forward in helping children without parental care, we must first understand the following. Every person ever conceived was born with specific needs. Those needs include critical needs such as food and shelter, security, the knowledge or belief that one is of value to themselves and others. Children will first seek the critical needs, and the supply of those critical needs will instill a learned behavior, and then they will seek the others' needs as well. And the source of those needs will again become a learned behavior. For example, if a starving child learns that the surest way to not be hungry is to steal, they will learn that behavior as a means of survival. If being, for example, a child soldier or a terrorist means that they are fed, clothed, and receive attention and praise from an adult figure again, they will learn that these types of behavior brings them reward. Supplying them with their needs, in a sense, they will become what they have learned in their struggle to survive and belong. In essence, every orphan child will either perish or receive his or her basic human needs from some source, good or bad. It is up to those who have the means and the opportunity to be sure that the source of their care is a source with a good intention. If we don't, they will end up in the hands of pimps, slave traders, ill-willed relatives, thefts, gangsters, warlords, and terrorists. Adoption, foster care, government, education, and advocacy. All this will help an orphan to live a life like others.
If you found this video to be useful in any way, don't forget to like, share this video and leave a comment. Stay tuned for the next videos, inshallah, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting the videos on my IGTV, and turn on your post notifications to get notified when I post a new video. I hope you found this video to be beneficial. See you again in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.